Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix audio is not working for Minecraft. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up options, go to resource packs, and then select all the available resource packs here and press done. Wait until the game restarts, and then you can go back and then deselect that you don't want to use them. And look after that if the problem persists or not, and if the audio working or not. And if this do not work, then completely close Minecraft, Minecraft launcher as well. Then write run on search, and then write %update%, go to .minecraft, scroll down until you see versions, and delete all the versions here. After that, relaunch Minecraft, and it will force to basically download the versions again, and your issue should be solved. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.